when to use used to, would, and past simple for habits. Hello, and welcome back to Grammar with Altaf. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very interesting and sometimes confusing topic: how to talk about past habits in English using used to, would, and the past simple tense. These are common in spoken and written English, but many learners mix them up. So let's make it simple and clear for you today.
Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you here again. Yes, today we are going to help you understand the differences and correct usage of used to, would, and past simple when you want to talk about habits or repeated actions in the past. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to choose the right one depending on the situation.
Let's begin with used to. We use used to when we talk about past habits or states, something that was true in the past but is no longer true now. It's commonly used to describe actions that happened regularly or situations that existed over a period of time. Here's an example. I used to play badminton every weekend. This means I played badminton regularly in the past, but I don't anymore.
Exactly. And remember, used to can also be used for past states, not just actions. For example, she used to live in London. He used to be very shy. In both examples, we are talking about a situation or a state that existed in the past, but not now.
Now let's look at would. This is also used for past habits, repeated actions, but only for actions, not states. So you can say, when we were kids, we would go to the park every Sunday. This is just like saying, we used to go to the park every Sunday, but using would sounds a bit more descriptive or nostalgic.
That's right, Annie. One important thing to remember is that would cannot be used to talk about past states. So you can't say, I would be shy, or she would have a dog. That's incorrect. In these cases, we must use used to instead. I used to be shy. She used to have a dog.
Great point, Altaf. Now let's talk about the past simple tense. This is the most basic form for talking about the past. We use it to talk about completed actions in the past, whether they happened once, twice, or many times. For example, I visited my grandmother yesterday. This happened once, so we use past simple.
Yes, and past simple can also be used for repeated actions in the past, just like used to and would. But the difference is that past simple doesn't show clearly if the action was a habit. Let me explain. If I say, I walk to school, it could mean just one time. But if I say, I used to walk to school, now you know it was a regular habit.
Exactly. So here's a quick comparison. If you want to clearly express that something was a habit, use used to or would, but only for actions. If you want to talk about a past state, use used to. And if it was just a one-time action, use the past simple.
Let's give some more examples for better understanding. Here's one. When I was a child, I used to climb trees. It was a regular activity, so used to is perfect. Or, when I was a child, I would climb trees every afternoon. This also shows a repeated action.
But if I say, I climbed a tree last weekend, that's just a one-time action. So we use the past simple.
Let's do a quick exercise together. I'll give the sentence, and you try to choose between used to, would, or past simple. Here's the first one. Every summer, we go to our village to visit our grandparents. What do you think? The correct answer is used to or would, Both are fine because it's a repeated action.
Okay, here's another one. My brother be very short when he was in school, but now he's tall. What's the correct answer? You're right if you said used to. We're talking about a past state, so would is not correct here.
Great job. Let's go over some quick rules again so it stays clear. Use used to for past habits and states. Use would only for past repeated actions, not states. Use past simple for completed past actions, which may or may not be repeated.
And here's a helpful tip. If you want to sound more story-like or emotional, use would. If you want to just describe what was regular or common in the past, use used to. And if there's no need to show it was a habit, just use the past simple.
That's a good trick, Annie. Let's try a few more examples to practice. I always drink tea in the morning when I lived in Karachi. Correct answer. Used to or would. Both work because it's a past habit.
Next one. She a cat named Mimi when she was 5. Answer, used to because this is a past state. Having a pet.
How about this one? They play cricket every Sunday when they were in college. Answer, you got it. Used to or would. Both are fine because this is a repeated action.
Last one. I had my keys on the table this morning. Here the correct answer is past simple, put, because this action happened once and today is still connected to the present.
Excellent. We hope these examples helped you understand the difference between used to, would, and past simple. Let's now quickly revise what we have learned today.
Sure. Used to marm past habits and past states. Would type past habits or repeated actions, but not states. Past simple, right, completed actions in the past may be repeated or one time.
And remember, practicing with real examples from your own life will help you use these naturally. Try talking about your childhood or old memories and see which one fits best.
That's it for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Grammar with Altaf for more easy and useful English grammar lessons.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next video with another helpful topic. Take care and goodbye.